Away they go. Silver glides fast to begin, followed by Play the Music. Salvatore racing third by about 3 lengths Saga. And the favorite Red Lotus is running at the tail of the field by about 6 to 7 lengths of the leader. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Play the Music from the outside. Silver glides down on the inside. Salvatore racing third by about 3 lengths. Red Lotus moving up by the rail. And Saga is now running at the tail of the field. Still two runners matching their strides. Play the Music on the outside. Silver glides, Salvatore. Red Lotus starting to moving up, taking the third spot. And Saga also rushing up as they raise the final corner. Silver glides, Play the Music. Red Lotus running by the rail. And Saga on the outside, racing towards the last 200. Silver glides, Play the Music. Red Lotus by the rail. It's still Silver glides now leading by about 3 lengths, followed by Play the Music. And nearing the finish line. Entry number 4. Silver Glide. Second, Play the Music, Saga. Red Lotus, Salvatore comes last.
4, 5, 2, 1, 3.